BCAAs are branched-chain amino acids that are given their name from their chemical structure. And they've become popular in the exercise world because they're used by your muscle as a fuel source. In theory, this sounds great. But the thing is, your body needs all 9 essential amino acids to create protein. The 3 branched-chain amino acids are leucine, isoleucine, and valine. Leucine is the most predominant amino acids that turns on muscle protein synthesis. We want this, and essentially you can take it by itself to turn on muscle protein synthesis, but remember, you need all 9 essential amino acids to make protein. So in all, should you be taking branched-chain amino acids? The thing is, you can if you want to consume those 3 amino acids in addition. However, the main focus you should be prioritizing is getting all 9 essential amino acids. So if you are supplementing with BCAAs, have them with food that contains complete protein.